So today we're going to be talking about our intermediate grow kits. You'll have no doubt already seen our essentials kits. They're great if you're on a tight budget and you need to get up and running, but if you've got the cash to invest, then it always pays to invest in the best grow gear that you possibly can. The extra spend can easily be made up for further down the line once you're harvesting huge crops. The first obvious difference is that intermediate kits come with media and nutrients, as well as sources to collect runoff. You can choose between cocoa, soil and fully hydroponic Wilma packages. And we've even thrown in a jug and some syringes for administering nutrients. You also get 6-inch RAM clip-on fans for each light to promote air circulation. The Euro reflector that comes with essential kits is a solid enough unit. It's well built and great value, but you won't max out with it. For that you'll need a better quality reflector that distributes light more evenly. The Adjuster Wings double parabolic offers a much more even spread, higher levels of reflectivity and the ability to tailor the footprint to suit your lamp height. Combine these features with the Green Power lamp and you've got a recipe for delivering massive yields. The Green Power is built by Philips and it's the go-to lamp for the big boys operating in commercial greenhouses. Intermediate kits also come with Carbo Air rope ratchets. Not only do these rope ratchets look the part, coming in Gas's trademark royal blue, they also support up to 64 kilograms of equipment, making them much stronger than standard easy rolls. We've included an extra set to secure your extraction system, and if you need any additional support, you'll find a set of hanging straps supplied with your tent. Hanging your extraction is made easier still with the inclusion of a fast clamp. It may seem like a trivial item, but it makes a big difference, joining your fan and filter to form a single solid unit. Essential kits join the fan and filter with a length of ducting and 2 duct clips. This method gets the job done for a low cost, but as you can see, it's just not as effective as a fast clamp. We've included RVK extraction systems with our intermediate grow kits. RVKs are some of the most reliable fans in the industry. We've sold literally thousands of them over the years, and we could count the number of faulty units on one hand. These kits feature L1 models which deliver greater airflow levels to keep your environment in check at all times. The RVK is teamed up with a Rhino Pro filter. Like the RVK, Rhino Pro filters have been around for a long time, gaining a solid reputation for getting the job done. Essential kits come with the hobby versions, which are great for the money, but they're built with thinner bed depths and just won't last as long. Combi ducting is used in the intermediate kit to vent air to an outside point. It features a double layered construction with a white reflective outer section and a black inner section to prevent light leaks. You can get hold of these kits in single 600 watt, 2x600 watt and 4x600 watt setups, with pitch versions also available. For more information, give us a call or come and see us in store.